Welcome back everyone. I've got a great recipe for you today. I'm going to be using the Eclipse meat grinder to make some classic, lovable and timeless Choy bao. We love the freedom and control that the Eclipse meat grinder can give you, from using fresh ingredients to being able to control waste and the texture and flavor of your meat. So I've got a kilo of pork shoulder here and I've left a good amount of the fat on to make sure that I get a really good moist mince. I'm going to use 500 grams of it today for this recipe, and I'm going to store the rest in a Luvele vacuum canister in the fridge to use later this week. Place a bowl at the end of the chute to catch the mince. Then load the diced pork up onto the hopper plate. Turn the machine on and then use the tamp to push the meat through the chute. The mince is ready. Before we get cooking, I'm going to make up a quick sauce. In a small bowl, add 2 teaspoons of corn flour and 1/4 cup of water and mix until it's lump-free. Mix in 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine or mirin, and 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Next, heat up a pan and add a tablespoon of sesame oil. Add 1 diced onion and cook for around 2 minutes. Then add 2 finely chopped garlic cloves and 2 teaspoons of fresh grated ginger. Mix it through and continue cooking for around another minute. Add your minced pork and use a wooden spoon to break it up. Cook it until it turns white. Then add 1 grated carrot, 2 finely chopped red chilies, 1 small can of water chestnuts finely chopped, and 8 fresh or dried shiitake mushrooms finely chopped. Cook for a few minutes or until the carrot has softened and the pork is fully cooked through. Then add the sauce mixture and 2 cups of bean sprouts and stir to incorporate. Put a lid on and cook for a further 2 minutes or until the shoots have wilted and the sauce has thickened. To serve, arrange a platter with your meat, some fresh lettuce leaves, some chopped spring onion, some fresh coriander, and some extra chili. Place it in the middle of the table for everybody to make their own just the way they like it. This is such a great, generous and easy meal, perfect for entertaining Friday nights with friends or any day of the week with the family. Give it a go for yourself and let us know what you think in the comments section below. We'd really love to know if you used the Eclipse grinder especially. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele life recipes to come. And if you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us and we'll be back really soon with another recipe.